Okay, please stop. At this point, please stop. It's fine.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Stop. Don't touch my hair. No.
Okay. Okay. Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. Today we have a software update, which is always an exciting day when we get to download new features to Lucky the Tesla. So we're very excited to do the software update today and see what we get. Maybe it'll just be bug fixes, Carly.
Yeah, we'll just
Bug
see.
fixes are necessary too, right?
Not really.
So this is our first software update since we got the MCU2 installed in Lucky about a week ago. So we are excited because we believe, or we were told by the Tesla Service Center people, that we will get more software updates now that we have the more advanced MCU infotainment center in Lucky. More games, more features, more fun in our Tesla.
We have car karaoke now.
We do have car karaoke now.
All the depression from V10 is gone because we have it.
We have it. We've been wanting car karaoke since V10 first came out. About how long ago was that?
I think it was January, December? I think it was December.
Of like the year before. It
Oh,
was
like 2020, yeah.
Yeah, like, I don't know.
No, I think, no, V10 was in Vegas.
Right, so it was in 2019, like towards the end of 2019.
Yeah, wow, it's been that long.
We've been waiting for car karaoke for a long time. We're going to show you car karaoke in another
We also have
video.
Dune Buggy, which is cool.
Dune Buggy, which is cool. YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, all that.
Yeah.
So we are going to produce and post a separate video showing you all of the amazing features of the MCU2 and talking about our upgrade experience with the Coral Gables Service Center.
Yeah.
So that video is coming soon. A great reason to click the bell for notifications to make sure you don't miss our upcoming MCU2 upgrade video. In the meantime, before we get this software update started, if you already love Tesla, if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, or if you're just curious about electric vehicles in general, please subscribe to our channel, TesLUCKY. All of our videos are Tesla related. So let's see what the new software update has in store for us today, Carly. You ready?
Yeah.
First, we're going to get us some of the fingerprints off Lucky with the screen cleaning mode. Don't miss that spot. All right. Good job, Carly. Oops, we got to get that corner. Okay. Hold to exit. You have to actually put a fingerprint on the screen to exit screen cleaning mode.
Okay.
Okay, so show everybody what we do here.
We're gonna go software update. Install now. 1, 2, 3, something like that. Oh, and it's starting.
Okay, software updating to 2021.4.15.
Isn't that the day we got it? That's today. No, that's the day we got it, 2 days ago.
That's right. That is the day that we got it. So I guess the name of the software update has something to do with the date.
Yeah.
I never knew that, Carly.
I didn't know that either.
But that is, it was 2 days ago that we got notified about the software update.
Like at 10 p.m.
So interesting. Okay. So usually it takes about 50 minutes. The AC just went off in Lucky, so time for us to go in the house and wait for the software update there. Oops, you're still mic'd, Curly. You can't walk away with the mic on.
Goodbye.
Bye. Carly, they said at the Tesla Service Center that now that we had the MCU2, the software updates were going to be quicker.
That took like 10.
It took like 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, it did not take long.
It didn't take very long at all. Definitely nowhere near 50 minutes.
Let's find out if we got anything.
Let's see what we got. Oh, hey, one other thing, Carly. We now have software update. Look at my nail. Isn't that pretty? V10.2 2021.4.15. I think it's amazing that you picked up on the naming structure with the date, and that we've had Lucky, the Tesla, for more than 2 years, and we haven't noticed that until today. And
Well,
it
I think
was
that's
your
new.
observation.
I think that was new.
You think that's new?
Yeah.
Hey, I bet some of the viewers of TesLUCKY might have some insights into the naming scheme of the software updates. Maybe John or Casey knows something about this, and they
for
will
sure.
post a comment. So, all right, brace yourself, Carly, because what if it's only bug fixes today? It was a pretty quick update.
Okay.
It might only be bug fixes, but let's see what we got. We got to
Release
click on the
notes.
release notes here.
Loading.
The release notes improved about a
Okay, so I don't think we got anything. Because this looks like it came from last time.
20.21.14. Wait, 2021.4.15.
We got
minor fixes. Hey, look, they're not calling them bug fixes anymore. I wonder if Tesla's watching our videos and
No,
they know.
because look, minor bug fixes.
Oh, it does still have the. You pay attention to all the details. Nothing gets past you. Okay, minor fixes is all we have today. Hopefully next time we'll get a new game like Cat Quest or Solitaire or the Battle of Polytopia, which came down with the new MCU2. She's out of here. No features, no fun. Hey Carly, no features, no fun, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. What do you need out of the front? Careful with my sword.
We have a sword and Lucky.
I know. All right, thanks for watching.